Good morning, my students, and welcome back to our course on current issues in banking and finance. I'm Dr. Magda Mustafa Sadiq, Associate Professor of Economics at Sudan International University. Today we are concentrating into Lecture 3, where our focus shifts toward the future horizon, Banking 2035. In this session, we will explore how emerging technology paradigms, especially AI first banking, autonomous finance, and the banking metaverse are fundamentally rewriting the rules of modern financial institutions. Let us get started. What do we mean by artificial intelligence first banking? And this is our core theme of this lecture. So what does it mean for a bank to be AI first? AI first banking is a structural model where artificial intelligence is embedded directly into every single core banking function, rather than treating AI as an external bolt-on or a supporting add-on tool. AI-first institutions build their operational architecture and business strategy around artificial intelligence from day one. Under this paradigm, artificial intelligence acts as the primary engine driving key operations, from customer service and product innovation to real-time risk management and core decision making. Characteristics of AI-first banking. Now, to fully understand AI-first banking, we must look at its core characteristics. An AI-first financial institution relies heavily on intelligent automation, moving away from manual repetitive workflows. It delivers extreme customer-centric personalization by analyzing data in real time to meet individual client needs. Furthermore, it replaces reactive risk management with predictive analytics, allowing banks to anticipate market shifts, default risk, and fraud before they fully materialize. So it goes from intelligent automation to customer-centric personalization to predictive analytics to conversational banking and real-time decision making. Autonomous finance. This brings us to our second major transformation, autonomous finance, often abbreviated as AutoFi. Autonomous finance represents the next major evolutionary stage in financial services. It integrates a convergence of powerful technologies: artificial intelligence, machine learning, blockchain, big data, and high-level automation. The defining factor AutoFi is that financial decisions and transactions take place with minimal, or in some cases, completely zero human intervention. How does this differ from the traditional digital banking? In standard digital banking, the customer must still initiate every action: clicking transfer, applying for a loan, or moving funds. In contrast, an autonomous finance system actively predicts needs, makes optimized decisions, and executes transactions automatically based on preset user goals and live data feeds. Let us continue in autonomous finance. It's a technology-driven financial ecosystem in which AI-powered systems independently analyze financial data, make sound decisions, and execute financial transactions on behalf of individuals or organizations. Crucially, these autonomous executions are not uncontrolled. They operate strictly within predefined user preferences, regulatory frameworks, and established risk boundary limits. To see how far we have come, let us examine the historical progression of financial services across 4 distinct stages. Traditional finance, characterized by paper-based processes and manual transactions. Digital finance, marked by the shift to online banking, electronic transfers, and mobile payments. Smart finance introduces AI-assisted recommendations and guided financial decision-making. Autonomous finance, the peak stage, where AI independently manages and executes financial decisions and transactions end-to-end. The banking metaverse, our third critical area of study for Banking 2035, is the banking metaverse. The banking metaverse refers to the seamless integration of financial services into immersive, shared 3-dimensional virtual environments. In this digital space, customers, financial advisors, and businesses interact directly using virtual avatars. It leverages a combined stack of advanced technologies: virtual reality, VR, augmented reality, AR, blockchain, AI, secure digital identities, and digital assets. In short, the banking metaverse creates a completely virtual ecosystem where clients can access authentic financial products, attend virtual consultations, and execute real transactions inside 3D digital environment. Banking services in metaverse. What actually happens inside a metaverse banking branch? Financial institutions are moving beyond flat screens into spatial environments. Customers can visit virtual branches for wealth management consultations, attend financial literacy workshops in interactive 3D spaces, purchase virtual real estate using smart contracts, or manage tokenized real-world assets directly from their digital wallets. So there is virtual bank branches, there is virtual customer services, there is digital payments, there is digital asset banking, and virtual wealth management. To wrap up today's lecture, please review a few key self-assessment questions to test your understanding of the concepts covered. That concludes our third lecture on Banking 2035. Please review the reading materials on our course portal and be prepared to discuss these emerging trends in our upcoming seminar. Thank you for your attention and see you next time.